If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 13 message, it usually means your account has been temporarily restricted, often because you hit a rate limit or triggered an automated flag. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes so you can get back into your account as soon as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, the simplest solution is to leave the app alone for 24 hours. In many cases, the restriction is temporary, and the automated flag will expire on its own after a day. So if you've been refreshing, retrying, or logging in over and over, stop for now and give the system time to reset. Next, if you're using a browser extension, click the extension icon in your browser, then look for your ad blocker and turn it off. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with x.com loading properly and may cause error messages or broken pages. After turning it off, refresh the page and try again. If you're still having trouble, keep the app closed for a while and avoid repeated attempts because that can extend the restriction. Once the 24-hour period has passed, open x.com again and sign in normally. In most cases, that's enough to clear the error and restore access. So, to recap, wait 24 hours if your account was rate limited and turn off your ad blocker from the extension menu if needed. If this fixed your issue, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.